Hey, what's going on guys? Zetromadic here, back with another video. This one might be a bit different, so if you want to see a gaming video, you can go watch another one of my videos. But if you are an aspiring YouTuber looking to make a bit of cash, stay tuned. Now what I'm going to be talking about is Loots, a website that makes it easy to make a little bit of money while streaming on YouTube, Twitch, or Mixer. If you don't stream, this will not work for you. You need to stream because how it works is, you type in all the info needed, then you send the donation. You are not sending money while doing this, so how do you get money? Well, before your message shows up on stream, there's a short ad that is played. Now there's a very big limit, but there's still a limit. You're only allowed to earn $3,000 in a month, which shouldn't be a problem if you are a YouTuber looking for a way to make money without 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You can also not earn more than $100 a day, which again shouldn't be a problem. There are also thresholds. Once a month you will be paid out if you hit $5 or more. If you don't reach $5 before that day, it will carry over to the next month. And don't worry if you aren't being paid on that day, it can take up to 3 days to get the money. Another requirement is you need to be at least 13 years old to use Loots. If you are under the age of 18, you will require parental guardian consent and supervision. Now I'm going to show you how to set up Loots with Streamlabs OBS. First, we have to go to the Streamlabs App Store. Search for Loots and then click on it. For me, it says open, but for you, it should say install. Just click the install button and let it download. Once done, you should be able to open. Click the open button that replaced the install button, then sign up for Loots so you can have an account. Once you have the account, select which site you will be streaming on. Sign into your account because you can't stream without your account, so that's important. Now is the part where you select which scene you will mainly be streaming on. Later I'm going to show you how to apply it to all scenes, so it really doesn't matter which one you pick. Click enable sponsored messaging and we can continue. After that is the messaging URL, which is the site that your viewers need to donate with, so you're going to want to copy that link and put it in the description of your stream. Just leave the rest the same and it will work as shown. Now click the save button and continue. Go to the scene that you picked for the sponsored messaging. We're going to want to copy and paste as a reference to all the other scenes, so it doesn't matter what you're doing, your viewers can still donate and they can see their message. After we do that, all you have to do is tell your viewers to donate for free using that link that you have. Use something like this in your description. I have to quickly say that I'm trying this out and it is new for me as well, so if I didn't cover something in this video or you just have questions, let me know in the comments of this video. If this video did help any of you YouTubers out there make a little bit of extra cash, please let me know by hitting that like and subscribe button. If you do want to watch my live streams and coming out, hit that bell icon so you know when I go live. I also post on Twitter when I am going live and all that good stuff, so if you want to follow me there, the link will be in the description of all my videos along with all my other social media. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.